Hi guys, today we're gonna do a short video about disassembling all-in-one HP computer. The purpose of it might be to upgrade the hard drive inside, upgrade the RAM, or have access to clean it up if you wish. And that basically will give you access to the internal of the computer. Now, the computer I'm talking about, it's a HP 24-R014, and it's this fella right here. This is about a year old. Okay. As you see, so it's this guy with the Bang & Olufsen speakers, and a little bit of it's got material on top of the speakers. Now I'll show you how to open it up. It's pretty easy. If you look on the back of the computer, you'll see the okay. It is a pretty neat looking computer. It doesn't have any visible screws anywhere on the back. However, the situation changes if you put it on with the screen down. You'll notice there are some screws right here under the leg, and in order to right there. In order to remove it, you're gonna need to use a torx key. So we're gonna remove those 4 screws. Okay, let me reposition the camera. Okay. So 2. 3, and the 4th one. Okay, with the screws removed, we get rid of the leg, and now you'll see on the bottom of the computer, right about here by the power button. See right there, you have one a rubber cap which can be removed. We'll expose one screw there. And on the other side we have an identical tab, so there are 2 of them. Now this, I want to warn you, there are screws, but you don't have to actually twist it all the way. You just twist it a little bit, so you unlock you'll hear it. You see, when you twist it, you'll hear a little bit a click. Now what that click does, it will release the top casing. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, this okay. We are able to take a pry tool right now and just push the back case down. It has plastic clips, so take your time, go around the screen. You'll hear popping. That's absolutely normal. Don't put too much pressure. You don't want to break the plastic. Go around the screen, all around, top and bottom. Watch the buttons. Watch these buttons, the HDMI and the power button. You don't want to damage them. Okay, and that's about it. Slowly work your way around the edge of the computer. Okay, and now we're gonna move to the other side. Okay, now we can put it like this and work our way. Let me rearrange the camera. Okay, on the top. follow the same exact procedure. Again, take your time. You don't want to put too much pressure, you don't want to break any plastic clips, and you don't want to damage the screen in doing that. So slowly just lift it up. Okay. Around like this. Okay. Now, as you see, the top will come loose. Okay, we're gonna put the computer upside down and we'll lift this top case. Okay, I guess it didn't. Let's see. Okay, it didn't give up all the way on the bottom by the power button. So let's see. Yeah, I'll have to. Okay. And there you go. Let me show you, let me put it down. Okay. There we go. You see? This is it now. Don't lift it up all the way because you have the DVD. It's still connected. I'll show you on the inside. There's still some cables connected, so once you lift it up, okay, you see this cable which goes to the DVD-ROM. You'll have to release it from the clips which are inside, just like this. Okay, then you can safely pull it from the back of the DVD, and now you can completely remove the back of the case. Now let me show you the inside of this little machine. There we go. Now you have the fan right here. If you need to clean it, just take a brush and clean it up just like this. You can blow the air. I would say blow the air from this way first, so any dust will go through these fins and then go vice versa. If you want to get access to the main board, that will be right here. It's caught up by a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 more here. You remove the back plate, and that will give you full access to the main board. And the purpose of this video was actually today for me to remove the hard drive, which is right here. Okay. This is where your hard drive is. It's in a cage, which is held together. You have one screw behind it, so one screw right there. You're gonna remove that. Okay. And then you will pull the cage, you'll push it up just like this. Okay, slowly remove the hard drive and remove the connector. Okay, you just want to pull it off just like that, and there you go. This one came with a Toshiba hard drive, 2 terabytes hard drive, so we're gonna upgrade that, and I'll show you also how to put it back together. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so I replaced the hard drive in the HP all-in-one, and I just want to show you, just in case you'd want to upgrade to a solid-state drive. Now we all know that the solid-state drive, it comes in a 2.5-inch format, whereas the hard drive in this computer, it's a 3.5-inch, and typically you will need to buy a little bit, you'll have to buy an adapter from 2.5 to a 3.5 so you can actually put it back into the case which was originally in. However, these guys, which I'm very surprised that the HP actually thought about this, this is the caddy where the hard drive was originally in. They actually drill 4 holes which they align perfectly with a 2.5-inch solid state drive. So guess what, you don't need any kind of adapter to be purchased separately for this particular project. Now let's put the hard drive let's put the hard drive back into the computer. I'm gonna show you how to work in reverse. So basically we take the computer, okay, move this out of the way. So remember, you actually had to push the drive up when you removed it. Now we're gonna put it here and we're gonna push the drive down. Okay, it's gonna slide in, should slide in. Okay, but I guess it's a little bit camera shy, so it doesn't want to go right into it. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so it's slide right in. Now we'll have to connect the adapter. Okay, it goes exactly the same way. Actually, it can only go one way. So after the caddy is all the way in, we're gonna put the screw back, okay, which is gonna keep it in place, which is right here, right behind the cage, the different screwdriver. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's there, and now we'll put together the top case. I'll show you how to do that, and that's about it. That's all you need to be doing. I had to stop a couple of times during this video because I had people, but it should not take you more than probably 25 minutes to do the repair. Okay, so let's take the top case. Okay, so remember, we had to disconnect the DVD, so make sure you remember to hook it up. Okay, put the cable in, just like this. Hold on, let me. Okay, you see right here, put the connection in, and we'll have to put this guy. Okay, we're gonna start from the top. Make sure the ports are properly aligned, and we're just gonna push it down just like this. You have to make this cracking sounds. That means the clips are engaging. Okay, perfect. We turn it the other way and we repeat the same from here. We go alongside the edges, make sure that they're in. Perfect, they seem to be in. Now we're gonna tighten these two screws. So the way you do it, you'll just, okay, I need something to have a little bit of, okay, boom. You just have to half a twist. It will lock it, because behind there is a mechanism which basically it goes something like this, and then it locks. So this is locked. Now we're gonna put the 4 torx screws, basically reattaching the base, the leg of this machine. So we put it in. We'll take, let me get my torx, my Allen actually. Okay, what is it? Where are you? Right here. So you do these screws, and that's basically it. That's how easy it is to upgrade the hard drive into this particular computer. It's well worth to upgrade it to a solid state drive, especially that today's prices, they're really small, and you're gonna greatly benefit from the improved speed and why not reliability of the drive itself. Okay, so we'll take it up, and here we go. We put it back together, and yeah, we'll move to the next project. Meanwhile, I hope that this one helped. This video helped somebody. If it did, please leave a comment, like the video, and why not subscribe to my channel, where I'm trying to come with new videos anytime I have some time. I'm a little bit busy, and unfortunately I can't do as many videos as I would like, but as I said, I'll try to do it as often as I can. Also, if you guys have any particular computer you like to see how it can be upgraded or repaired, just leave a comment, and I'll try to get to it. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.